everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce and exploring selling on Amazon for beginners. If you have ever wondered what it takes to start selling your product on Amazon, you are in the right place. We'll cover what is e-commerce, how to get started on Amazon, and the pros and cons of this online marketplace. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is e-commerce? In a nutshell, e-commerce stands for electronic commerce. It's all about buying and selling products and services online. Amazon is one of the world's biggest e-commerce platforms, providing a massive marketplace for sellers. Now, let's jump into how you can get started selling on Amazon. It's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Setting up an account. Head to Amazon Seller Central and you can choose between an individual or professional seller account. The choice depends on how much you plan to sell, but professional account offers more features. Step 2. Listing your product. Create product listing by providing detailed description, images, and prices. Make sure your products stand out from the crowd. Step 3. Fulfillment option. Amazon offers fulfillment option by Amazon FBA, where Amazon handles shipping or fulfillment by merchant FBM, where you fulfill orders yourself. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. Boost your sales by running Amazon PPC campaigns, offering discounts and requesting reviews. Alright, now that you know how to get started, let's dive into the pros and cons of selling on Amazon. Pros. There are plenty of advantages on selling on Amazon. Number 1. Massive audience. First, you get access to massive audience. Amazon has millions of active customers, increasing your potential reach. Number 2. Fulfillment. The fulfillment services through FBA can save your time and effort. Amazon handles the packaging, shipping, and even customer services. Number 3. Trust and credibility. Amazon offers trust and credibility. Buyers often feel more secure purchasing from a non-platform. Cons. Now let's explore the cons. Number 1. Fees. There are fees associated with selling on Amazon. These can include referral fees, subscription fees, and FBA fee, cutting into your profit. Number 2. Competition. Competition can be fierce. You'll be competing with many other sellers, which means you need to work hard and stand out. Number 3. Limited control. You have limited control over your brand. On Amazon, the customer experience is tied to the Amazon brand, which may limit your ability to build your own brand identity. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to selling on Amazon. Whether you are starting a side hustle or aiming for a full-time business, Amazon can be a powerful platform to consider. Just keep those pros and cons in mind as you take the leap into the world of e-commerce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce insight. Thanks for watching and happy selling. And that's the wrap up. If you have any question or want to share your own experience selling on Amazon, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our audience. Until next time, take care and best of luck with your e-commerce journey.